Here we come to the high-rise elevators at the Marriott Marquis in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Otis Skyrise, which these are high-rise. Hey, that rhymes. All right, let's call one of the elevator cars and we'll get on. These are Skyrise elevators and we got that one over there. All right, yep, it's going up. What floor would you like?
23.
What floor would you like, sir?
27.
Third floor. Going up. Seventh floor.
Have a great day.
You too.
Going up.
I'm surprised that these are not key carded, unlike a lot of hotels are.
29th floor. Going down.
Get a much more better view up here. I'm sure you remember this view, right? Dude, listen to that motor. That sounds sickening. You see right there, that right there is the Texas Lazy River, the lazy Texas River, but unfortunately the water is all out. So, with that being said, we're gonna call it down. We got the same elevator car. We'll do a cab view up in the express zone. It's just similar to the low-rise elevators. Here are your fixtures. Hopefully we don't get a bunch of people piling in. If it does, then we're gonna go ahead and get off. All right, good, we got no one, so here we go. Full speed ahead. Let's blast up into the air.
Going up.
There's music playing on the first floor, so we're probably gonna go ahead and end the video right when we get off. And also because there are people literally coming in and out, so I just want to get out there as fast as I could.
Floor. Going down.
All right, back down to LN there. These are your fixtures. They're newer Otis Series 4 fixtures. I really love the hoistway door. The advertisement on the hoistway door.
20th floor.
And we're gonna be picking up.
Going down.
You're going to the lobby?
I think I'm going to the meeting rooms. Third?
I finally got a good video. Perfect timing as people are fixing to board the elevator.
Third floor.
Okay, have a great day, sir.
Going down.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on the lobby. I know I said this a couple times. These are your fixtures. They're newer Otis Series 4 fixtures. All right, here we are at the lobby level. Oh good, we got no people, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch the door close, and with that being said, there it goes, and that will be it.